Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about science, not just scientific topics, but how to talk about science accurately, critically, and enthusiastically. Scientific literacy is one of the most valuable skills in the modern world. Science works through a specific process. First, an observation is made, something is noticed in the world. Then a hypothesis is formed, an educated guess about why this might be. An experiment is designed to test the hypothesis. Data is collected and analyzed, and a conclusion is drawn, either supporting or challenging the hypothesis. One of the most misunderstood words in science is theory. In everyday English, a theory means a guess or a suspicion. But in science, a theory is an explanation backed by extensive evidence, tested repeatedly, and accepted by the scientific community. The theory of gravity, the theory of evolution, these are among the most robustly supported ideas in all of human knowledge. Peer review is the process that gives scientific findings their credibility. Before results are published in a scientific journal, other experts in the same field, peers, review the methodology and conclusions. This process catches errors and ensures that only rigorous work reaches the public domain. You might say, that study hasn't been peer-reviewed yet, it's worth waiting for more evidence. A very important distinction is correlation versus causation. Correlation means two things happen together or are statistically linked. Causation means one thing actually causes the other. They are not the same. For example, ice cream sales and drowning rates are correlated, both rise in summer. But ice cream doesn't cause drowning. The link is the hot weather, not the ice cream. Today we covered the scientific method, the meaning of theory, peer review, and correlation versus causation. Scientific language is precise, and using it correctly makes your conversations sharper. See you next time.